Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to install Java IDE on Android phone. So first of all, open Google Play Store, search for JVDROID, JVDroid. You will get the first result. Click on install. It will start downloading and installation of JVDroid on our phone. After installation, you have to go to main menu and open JVDroid from the application list. After opening JVDroid, you will be able to see the screen which is having the default two lines. So whatever class name you want to keep, just make the changes, delete the main and give the name whatever you want to give. Here I am giving first program as the name of the class, and in this program I will be just printing a welcome message for everyone. So system.out.print, and in bracket I will be typing the message, welcome to Java programming on Android phone. Here I will be leaving semicolon symbol and I will run the program so that I can show you how error message is going to show. So for saving the program on your mobile phone, you have to go to save and select the folder wherever you want to save it. If you want to create a new folder, you can click on new folder and create the folder. So here I have clicked on the folder that I have created by the name Java program and clicked on select folder. Now I need to give the name to my program. So first program.java I am giving as the name. Clicked on save, and now I will run it without semicolon for showing you the error message that will be showing after this. So here you can see the error message which is showing that semicolon is missing. I need to put it in the line number 3. So now I will put that semicolon there, and after that I will press save to save my program, and then I will run the program. So save the program, now run the program, and finally we got the output. So in this way we can use Java IDE on a smartphone.